Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to replace the gas cover here with this one that's got a door on our Jeep Wrangler 2015. This was a birthday present for my wife, and I like it a lot, so it should make things a lot nicer. First thing we have to do is we have to take off the the tail light here on the driver's side. Just needs a Phillips screwdriver. That'll give us room to reach in behind the gas cap. Just go this, come right out. We'll just pull this gently off to the side. Now we're going to remove the gas cap. And we also want to take the little retainer off too. So I'm just using a little pry tool and pry it out. On the inside here, there's a clip up here and another one way down here that we have to push in on this side here. And at the same time you're pushing that in, then you pull out on this filler neck here to release, to pull it out. And you have to do the pulling out with your left hand on the outside of the Jeep where you're doing this on the inside. So it's going to be hard to show at the same time, but that's what we're going to have to do. Now we're going to push the button at the top, and at the same time we're pulling out. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom. And I just have to work it out slowly. There's 4 of these clips, and the other 2 are hard to get to. There, it's coming. And pull it out. There's a gasket that goes around the filler neck and then into the cover here. The new gas cap comes with one, but it doesn't fit very tight on here. Our old one is still in good shape, so we're going to actually reuse the old one. And to install that, you take and put it so that the little lip that points out goes down as we're going in the front with the door open. And you just have to push it in this little gap here and just work your way around. Just make sure it's all flat and seated around the edge in good shape. Now we're gonna install the new gas cap door, but we have to work this gasket around the filler neck. So I'm just using a plastic tool and carefully, don't want to damage the rubber. Make sure that it's sitting straight. And just need to push it back in and get the clips seated. Okay. Now I have to put the gas cap retainer back in. It goes in this little hole right here. Just pushes in, and we can put the gas cap on and close the door. Now we have to put the tail light back in. So it just goes in. screws back in. After taking it out, I realized I only needed to remove these 2 screws. These 2 I didn't need to take out. That was pretty easy. That's how you install a door over your gas cap to protect it and also give some decoration to it. Very simple and easy project. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with other people. Thank you.